Alright, hello everybody. Alright, on this video is about the brake lights, and I'm turning them into the incandescent into the LEDs. And I bought these right here from Amazon, and they come in a pack of 4. Let me show you how long it is compared to the original. And there it is right there. Just a little tad taller. So that's it. From here, that's the package it came in. Links in the description below. So I got it down in the description so you know what it is. And it'll give you the all details on how it looks and how long it'll last. And the reason why I picked these is because it came 4 in a pack. 4, and they last up to 40,000 hours. So let's put them on and see how they look. Okay, I want to show you what 2 I use so that would make it easier for you. Now right here, there's a rotating ratchet right here. So that's how I'm loosening it up. Just getting loose, turning it with this tool right here. Right here. And it's a big help when taking those nuts off. So I don't have to use that much space. I just turn that back far enough, stick this in here, and just start turning it and come out. Alright, so when I put the bulbs on originally, I thought I would not need resistors because I had resistors in the front. But this is what happened now that I put resistors in the back. As you can see, it's blinking normal. And in the front too, it's blinking normal. So that looks fine. But when I do the passenger side, which I did not do yet, and this is what I get. See, that's rapid flash. So I need to get that one fixed. I need to put resistors on that one. And on the front passenger side, see how that looks. See, it's blinking, hyper flash. So I need to get that. There's a resistor in this one, but it's not working as well because now the bulbs in the back is too much for it. So I think that's why it's giving me the hyper flash. I got to put a resistor, 2 resistors in the back passenger side to get that. Now it's normal. See how that is? So there, that side's fixed. So let me work on the. When I put the hazards on though, both work evenly. I don't know why, but that's weird. Both work fine. All right, and this is how I did it. Now, resistors. There's 2 of them because there's 2 bulbs. So in order for me to make sure it's safe, because I was going to put it down here. I was going to put it down here on this one, but I didn't want to take that chance for just using 1 resistor. So I used 2 per light bulb, because it's 2 bulbs. So, and these wires are doubled up. So that's what I did. And yeah, it's a mess. Once I put it all together, I'll show you, because yeah, they're over here. So when they get hot, they're going to get hot inside here, this area. It's not going to affect nothing. Yeah, it looks like a mess. But yeah, I did it. So that's how that is. And this is the driver's side. And let me show you how it looks. Okay, this is what I did so far. Right here in this resistor, I got 3M double adhesive tape. See, I stuck it in there. And here's the other one. I put the 3M tape right on the bottom. There it is. I cut it to size, as you can see. So I'm going to peel that off and just stick it somewhere right here. Right here is the actual other side is the body, the paint and all that is on the other side of this panel here. So I don't want to put it there because if it does get hot, I don't want the other side of the paint to start peeling because of it gets hot. So I'm going to put it right here. It's not affecting the back, the outside of the car. So let me take this thing off. Take this off and peel it. There you go. All right. Just put it right here at the bottom. There. That's where it's going to stay. And that's it. So the resistors are here, 2 of them. Perfect. Madness. But it's working. And here it is right here. Let me get you out. There you go. Going out to the driver's side tail light. So that's how that looks. Then once I put this on, you're not going to even see it. So that's how that looks. Alright, let's continue to the passenger side. And this is how it looks on the passenger side. I already put it in, the resistors. And I put the 3M double adhesive tape. So they stuck there. And this is how it looks. Then once that's it, I put the tire back. That's done, so I'll put this back up here. Then put the tire in, and that'll be it. Alright, here are the bulbs right here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pull this one out. Pull this one right, put this one right in. And before I go any further, I'm going to turn it on and see how it looks. Alright, I'm about to turn on the car lights and see how it looks. There you go. I'm going to step on the brakes. Yes, they're red, so that way it'll come out looking red, real bright red. And that's how it looks. Okay. See if I have it laying like this. That one in. And this one in. There you go. Just like that. They're both in now. Just put it in the slot. And step on the brakes. Okay, I'm going to do now is put on the 4-ways and see how that looks. On this side is the LED, on the other side incandescent. Wow, and look how the LED's response, more quicker than the incandescent ones. Look at the difference. Look how much brighter it is. Oh yeah. Just bring you over here. Now, I think it solved that problem. LEDs, incandescent. As you see, just like a fade on and off. But on this one, it's more quicker, more responsive, really quick. Oh yeah. Huge difference. Let me get it from this side. And that's how it looks. Now I'll put the other ones, LEDs here on this side now.